Hey there! Welcome to One Time Crafts, where we make IELTS preparation simple, fun, and stress-free. If you're planning to take the IELTS exam and don't know where to start, thanks for stopping by, and welcome to the IELTS family. Let's do this. Cue card. Describe a photograph of you that you like. You should say when it was taken, who took it, what you were doing at that time, and explain why you like this photograph.
One photograph of me that I really like was taken about 3 years ago, during a family trip to the countryside. It was taken by my younger sister, who's quite good with cameras even though she's not a professional. The photo was captured at sunset, while I was sitting near a lake, reading a book. I wasn't posing or even aware that she was taking the picture. It was totally candid. The sunlight was soft and golden, and it reflected beautifully on the water behind me. There were trees in the background, and everything looked calm and peaceful. What I love about this photo is not just how it looks, but also what it represents. That trip was during a stressful time in my life, right after I finished my final exams. I was feeling overwhelmed, and this trip gave me the peace and clarity I needed. The picture reminds me of that peaceful moment and how important it is to take breaks and connect with nature. Also, I like that the photo shows a more natural side of me. Relaxed, thoughtful, and away from the usual distractions of everyday life. Every time I look at it, I feel a sense of calm and happiness. It's actually the wallpaper on my phone now, and whenever I'm stressed, I look at it and remember that everything will be okay.
Part 3. Question 1. Why do people like to take photos?
I think people take photos mainly to preserve memories. In today's fast-paced world, moments pass by quickly, and photographs help us hold onto special occasions like birthdays, weddings, or even simple family gatherings. Besides that, photos can also be a form of self-expression or art. Some people enjoy photography as a creative hobby. And with social media, taking and sharing photos has also become a way to connect with others and share parts of our lives.
Question 2. How has photography changed in the last few decades?
Photography has changed dramatically, especially with the introduction of smartphones and digital cameras. In the past, people used film cameras, and you had to wait days to develop the photos. Now, photos are instant, and anyone with a phone can take hundreds of pictures without worrying about cost. Editing tools and filters have also changed how people present their images. Moreover, photography is now more interactive and accessible, thanks to platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, where people document even the small moments of daily life.
Question 3. Do you think people take too many photos nowadays?
Yes, I do think so. While it's great to capture memories, sometimes people are so focused on getting the perfect photo that they forget to actually enjoy the moment. For example, at concerts or during travel, people often watch everything through their camera screens instead of experiencing it in real time. There's also a pressure to look perfect in every photo, which can create unrealistic standards and stress, especially for young people. So, while photography is valuable, I believe it's important to use it mindfully.